Did you know there's a chemical so flammable it can ignite at temperatures colder than your freezer? Meet acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal, a molecule that's small but mighty, with a flash point of -17 degrees Celsius. In the next few minutes, we're diving into its secrets, its structure, its properties, and why it's a big deal in chemistry labs. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Hi everyone, welcome back to Chem Explained. I'm your name, your guide to the wild world of chemistry. Today, we're unpacking acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal, a compound with the formula CH₃CH OCH₃ and a molar mass of 90.12 grams per mole. From its unique structure to its real-world uses, we've got a lot to cover, so let's jump right in. First up, let's break down its structure. Acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal has a central carbon atom that's pretty busy. It's bonded to a hydrogen, a methyl group, CH₃, and two methoxy groups, OCH₃. This setup makes it an acetal, a special type of compound formed when an aldehyde reacts with alcohols. In this case, it comes from acetaldehyde and methanol. Pretty cool, right? The two methoxy groups, attached to the same carbon, give it a unique stability, which is why chemists love using it. If you're into organic chemistry, you might recognize this as a geminal diator. It's not just a pretty picture, it's a key player in protecting sensitive parts of molecules during reactions. We'll get to that in a bit. Now let's talk about what makes this compound tick, its physical properties. It has a boiling point of 64.5 degrees Celsius, so it turns to vapor pretty easily. Think of it like water boiling, but at a much lower temperature. Its density is 0.85 grams per centimeter cubed, meaning it's lighter than water, which sits at 1 gram per centimeter cubed. But here's the kicker. Its flash point is -17 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature where it can form a flammable vapor-air mix. To put that in perspective, it's cold enough to freeze your ice cream, yet this stuff could still catch fire with a spark nearby. That low flash point is what makes it stand out, and why we need to handle it carefully. Speaking of careful handling, let's look at safety. The catalog flags two hazards, a flame symbol for flammability, thanks to that -17 degrees flash point, and an exclamation mark, hinting at irritation risks. The Japanese word kiken means danger, and they're not kidding. If you're working with this, you'll need gloves, goggles, and a lab coat. Store it in a cool, ventilated spot, far from flames or sparks. Imagine a lab fire breaking out because someone ignored this. Yikes. Always check the material safety data sheet, MSDS, for the full scoop. Safety isn't optional, it's essential. So, why do chemists care about this compound? It's a superstar in organic synthesis. Acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal is often used as a protecting group for aldehydes. Picture this. You're building a complex molecule, and you don't want the aldehyde part to react yet. You add this acetal to shield it, do your reaction, then remove it later. Genius, right? It's also a building block for things like pharmaceuticals and fragrances. With a purity over 97%, checked by gas chromatography, it's top-notch for research. Whether it's a new drug or a fancy perfume, this little molecule might be behind it. Let's talk about money. A 25 milliliter bottle costs $100. That's not pocket change, but for a high-purity compound like this, it's worth it for labs. The product code is 10302-30, and the supplier's name, OCH₃, suggests a Japanese company, Mei Tokushu Kagaku or similar. Chemistry's a global game, and this bottle proves it. For researchers, it's a small price for big results. That's a wrap on acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal. From its flammable nature to its lab heroics, this compound's got it all. I hope you loved this deep dive as much as I did. Hit that like button, subscribe for more chemical adventures, and drop a comment. What compound should we explore next? Thanks for watching. See you in the next reaction.